Squarespace Ecommerce review. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily build our online store using Squarespace. It's not that hard, so let's get started. They provide us the opportunity to customize templates, or we can easily create them from scratch. So we need to click on get started if you are new to this device, or I'll just simply log into one of my account with Gmail. As for me, this is the most suitable variant. And here we are on our dashboard where we can manage all of our websites. We also have the domain folder, as you can see, where we can manage all of our domains. So let's switch back to dashboard. And from this page, we can easily manage all the websites we have. As you can see, I have a lot of them. We can click on more and do some stuff like change the permissions, manage billings, change settings, duplicate website, or simply delete. So let's create a new website from scratch. In the right top corner, I just simply click on create website. And we'll come to our templates area where we can find a lot of different templates we can easily use. As you can see, we can filter them by type and topic. So I'm just going to choose online store because in this case, we're going to create the e-commerce website. And I won't choose any category because as for me, we'll simply customize every single part on the website. So sometimes it could be easier to change, for example, the website with clothes to the another one. Of course, as I already said, we can easily create it from scratch. So as you can see, there is the option to build your own template. So if you click on this button, we'll just simply start from scratch. But let's choose this one here. So I'm going to click on preview. And as you can see, it looks like this. We can switch between different views on devices. And as you can see, the templates are totally responsive. So it's pretty cool that Squarespace provides us the opportunity to make them responsive for different devices, So let's click on start with this design and we'll come to our managing page. But firstly, we need to add the name of our website. Let it be online store TMP. Let it be like this. Let's click on continue and next, and get started. So here we are on our managing page. We can easily come to our editor by simply click on edit button here in the top of the screen. We'll come to the editor. I'll just go back. As you can see in the left side, there is menu where we can manage all the things. We can manage the pages, the navigation, as you can see right up here. We can change the design for all the website. We can change the font pack, the color palette. I'll show it a little bit later. And of course, we can manage all of our commerce stuff here. So as you can see, we have orders folder. From this page, we can easily manage all of our orders when we'll have them. We have the inventory where we can see all of our products. We can easily add the product or manage every single part here. So as you can see, we can click on add product here. We can choose the type, we can choose some other stuff, and all we need to do is just to simply fill the information like product name, image, and so on. For different categories, there is different options we need to fill. For example, for digital downloads, we need to fill more info some details, images, inventory, what are we going to sell basically. So there is from this page, we can just manage all the products and just add products. They're also divided into different physical services, digital downloads, and gift cards, and so on. And we can easily even say some membership, as you can see. So if we'll come back, we can also find the information about our customers in customers area. So we can find the all the information they will send us from the different forms or something like this. We can find the leads. We can find customers, first time customers, repeat customers, members, and donors. So they provide us a huge amount of analytics we can easily use. And also we can manage the discounts here. As you can see, we can find the active, scheduled, inactive, and so on. So there are a lot of options we can easily manage from this page here. So as you can see, it's pretty cool. And as you can see, they also like helps us to set up our store through different like ways: add products to inventory, add MV to get paid, choose a subscription plan, go live and start selling. So only 4 steps to start our online store. And they also provide us the opportunity for 40 days trial. So we can easily like subscribe when we are ready, and we can start it even for free. So as for me, it's pretty cool. If we'll try to discover their plans, we can find that there are 2 plans for e-commerce, like basic and advanced, $27 versus $49. And we can find all the differences in this table here. Like as you can see, a lot of same features, but the paid one is like the expensive one is like have abandoned cart recovery, sales subscriptions, advanced shipping, advanced discounts, and commerce APIs. So let's start to customize our website for a little. So we can easily go to dashboard from this page and find it right up here. So let's click, and we'll try to change it like in total. So I'm going to design area, going to site styles, and I want to change fonts. So click on fonts and switch the font pack. So they provide us the opportunity to swap all the fonts styles on the whole website. As for me, it's pretty cool, so I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to click on save. And I also like to change the color palette. So I'm going to wait for a little, go to site styles, go to colors, and edit palette here. So I'm going to use one of their templates, also one of their like sets for the color palette. So as for me, this one is pretty cool. So I'm going to click on save, and in a few seconds, everything is done basically. Let's wait for a little, and yeah, so we can just simply click on exit and go to edit page. And from this page here, we can customize every single element. In order to do this, we just simply need to click and then just add the thing. So for example, for the products area, we only can change them in the e-commerce like folder. But for example, these tags we can easily change like to from the editor. Let it be like this, for example. So as you can see, we can change different properties, like make it bold, so make it bold, italic, change the color, and so on. So we can easily edit from clicking right up here, and we can add different sections like about our team, for example, or some other stuff. So basically there are a lot of options we can easily do. I have another tutorials about it, but this is like our e-commerce review for Squarespace. This is a way how can we set up our own online store. Hope guys this video was helpful for you. If it is, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. Goodbye.